Let's take a closer look at this Waterpik flosser. This was recommended by my dentist to really clean my gums. It takes up a really small space, whether it's on your counter or in your linen closet, and it's really easy to use. And it's very effective in cleaning your teeth and your gums after you have brushed. Now let me show you all the settings on this Waterpik. Now in order to turn it on, it has to be plugged in just to an AC adapter, and then of course you have to put it to the on switch. Now it has 10 different settings, and this is how powerful you want the water to come out of the head of the brush. Now here I have a handful of different adapters that do come with your Waterpik, and in order to change the pick, all you have to do is undo this little toggle switch, put it in, and it snaps right back in. Now there is a little magnet on the Waterpik, so it holds it in place, which makes it very dynamic. And in order to fill the water container, all you have to do is lift the lid, put it underneath the faucet, close, and you are ready to go. One note I am going to talk about this Waterpik is please be underneath the sink, because when you first begin this, you're going to get water everywhere because you're not going to realize how strong this dial is. So start off very low, like maybe 2, and then as you get used to the Waterpik, then you can increase the amount of pressure of water that is coming out of the tip of your Waterpik. Overall, I think it was a great investment for my teeth and my gums, and I highly recommend this Waterpik.